My name is Jeremy John. I am the lead propulsion engineer for the DART spacecraft. I've been responsible for the design and development of both propulsion systems that the spacecraft has on it. The NEXI ion thruster has been installed on DART for technology demonstration during the DART mission. The intent is to show that the spacecraft is capable of operating the thruster at nominal power throughout various operating conditions during the mission. The NEXI team is comprised of a joint venture between NASA's Glenn Research Center and Aerojet Rocketdyne. We are conducting the first flight of the NEXI ion thruster. It is a little bittersweet to know that we are only going to be able to operate for a short amount of time before we impact the asteroid. With help from APL, NASA GRC, and Aerojet Rocketdyne, we have adapted its use during the DART mission.